Turning 25 cents into $100,000 extra revenue in 12 months. Learning this hairdressing trick will help you make more money in your business. Now, it's all about increasing value while limiting the cost it costs you to run your business. And I hope this video gives you some ideas and makes you think differently to what you should be doing. Because what I'm seeing at the moment, and I've been saying this for the last 4 or 5 years, everyone's just doing the same thing. Everyone's copying one another. No one's really standing out, and you have to stand out, because if you just keep doing one thing and then someone else does that one thing and then someone else does that one thing, you're not going to get anyone's attention, because they're going to be seeing that their friends are doing it, or they see 10 other people doing it. Why are you different? So in this video, we'll be going over a little trick, and I had a talk to my girlfriend the other day about this, and I found it fascinating. So how to turn 25 cents into $100,000. So let's get started. So how many clients does a hairdressing stylist have per day? On Google, it's telling me 12. So the average stylist cuts 12 haircuts per day. So 12 times 5 hairdressers equals 60 haircuts a day. So on average, I don't know if it's bigger in America, India, UK, wherever you are, Russia, Ukraine, but in Australia, there's roughly 4 to 6, maybe 5 to 10 people, hairdressers that are working. It depends how big the shop is, yeah. But Google says on average there's 12 haircuts a day per stylist, and let's just say there's 5 stylists a day. So that's 60 haircuts per day. Now let's assume that the haircut is only $50. I know in regards to women and their haircuts, they can range from $50 to $100 to $300. So this is like minimal. This is mainly for men. How do we charge an extra $5 where customers still think it's amazing value? So more importantly, let's just say you're a hairdressing salon and you're charging $50 for a haircut. Well, you can't exactly start charging $80, because then people aren't going to show up. They're going to be like, it's too expensive. So just by increasing your price from $50 to $55, it's not that much money. People can generally afford an extra $5, yeah? But it's about giving more value. So sometimes it's not about the haircut, it's the experience. Just like a cafe, if the food is great, but they have a horrible experience, or it's just, bland, more than likely they won't return. I don't know if this has happened to you. I'm guessing it has. It's happened to me hundreds of times. You go to a cafe or a restaurant and the food's really good. It's amazing food, but the waiter is rude. The girl behind the desk is rude. They're constantly dropping things. It's really noisy. The people around you are really stupid and rude. It's the experience. So it's not just about getting your hair cut. It's about the experience before, while you're getting your hair cut, and then afterwards. And everything that I'm saying in this video, I want you to relate back to your business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, you've got a coaching program or an offer, whatever it may be, I want you to learn this, but think of this inside of what you can do for your business as well. So how can we make more money? So okay, so that's a spelling mistake. So we do so by increasing value, charging more money, increasing value, but still the client customer is happy. So this is what I mean by this part here. We can't exactly go from $50 to, $100, because people are going to be like, what the hell? Like, haircuts aren't worth $100, they're worth $50. But if we charge an extra $5, what can we provide value-wise that the customer/client is still going to be happy, yeah? In fact, they are happier after paying. So what can we offer them? They're paying more money and they're still going to be coming back because they think the service is even better. So this is what I want you to do in your online business. If we just increase the price from 50 to 55, how can we do this while still being booked out? Now, I want you to imagine this. You go get your hair cut, and while you wait, they make you a nice warm tea. At a cafe, it could cost you, $3 to $5 depending on where you are. The price it costs you to make a tea, it's about 5 cents. So in Australia, we have a pack of 100 tea bags. It's $5 when it's on sale. So what's 100 divided by $5? Yeah, so 100 tea bags divided by 5. It's about 5 cents. Yeah, so it's really, really cheap. And that's what you're paying at the supermarket. The supermarket's probably buying it for $1. So if you've got a business, and let's imagine you're the hairdressing salon, you could probably buy it wholesale because it's for your business. So you're probably buying it for $2. So if anything, it's 2.5 cents. I hope this is starting to make sense. So it's costing you 5 cents, yeah? While you're having a nice tea, there's some chocolates in a wrapper. Not just one, but 2 to 3 chocolates, maybe even 4 chocolates. Now these chocolates aren't just shitty, chocolates. They're nicely wrapped. They taste good. Now, because again, you're a business, you can buy it at wholesale. And just like Alibaba, if you're buying it wholesale and you're buying in bulk, you can usually get the prices down. So instead of paying $1 a chocolate, you're now paying 20 cents or whatever it may be. But it's now costing you 20 cents for 2-3 little chocolates as you buy this wholesale, as you have a business and you buy them in larger quantities, blah, 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 blah. Right now, instead of waiting to get your hair cut, you're offered a nice warm tea of your choice and chocolates. So what usually happens is, I know for me, and maybe for you guys as well, you get your hair cut, you're waiting in the room, you're sitting down on the seat, you're on your phone, you wait 10-20 minutes, you're bored, you're just wasting time, you pay the money and then you leave. Yeah, the service is very average. But just imagine if there's like a little bar fridge in the corner, or there's like a kettle and there's like really nice tea, or like a different tea bags, or the hairdresser comes up to you and says, "Hi Alan, welcome back, blah, 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 blah. Look, I'll be about 20 minutes, but I'll make you a tea. What tea would you like? Would you like lavender? Would you like this? Would you like this?" Most people are going to say no, but it's the thought as well. And you're even going to save more money. But most people will say yes to the chocolates. So, tea, chocolates, whatever. It doesn't matter if you take them or not. It's the thought. It's the experience. It's, oh my God, this place is amazing. They've offered me a tea. Even though I've said no to the tea, I'll have some chocolates, please. So it's the experience. So it's costed the hairdressing salon or the shop about 20 cents for the chocolates, because they're buying it at wholesale. And if you have a business, you can buy everything massively cheaper. Right now, instead of waiting to get your hair cut, so it makes the experience more welcoming and just better. And as a result, people don't mind spending an extra $5. So this is what I want you to understand. The cost it costed you was 25 cents. Yeah, so it costed you about 5 cents for the tea bag and about 20 cents for the chocolate. So you're profiting by charging an extra $5 to get a haircut. You're profiting $4.75. Now, 60 haircuts per day, the shop, times a year, that's 21,900 haircuts per year. 21,900 haircuts times 25 cents, the cost it costs you for the tea bags and the chocolates, that's $5,475 for the year, for 12 months. But how much are you making from this? 21,900 haircuts times $4.75 profit, you're making an extra $100,000 per year just by charging $5 extra for your haircut, by increasing their value, by giving people a nice tea, a warm tea, and some nice chocolates before. Like this, guys, like, even if hairdressing salons did this, they could charge an extra $5, even an extra $10, because it's about the experience. So this is what I mean by I want you guys to think of what you can include in your business. You know, you could be an online coach, a content creator with like, you all have different offers. You either have a program, an offer, a course. Maybe you do one-on-one consulting. Maybe you teach marketing, people or businesses. It doesn't matter. You simply have to do different things to what your competitors are doing. You need to stand out. Now, what I mean is, what most hairdressing salons do is you sit there, you wait for your haircut, you get your haircut, then you leave. But just imagine I want you to imagine, yeah? Now, after this, you're going to start thinking of what you can do and implement in your business as well. So, what else could you do as the hairdressing owner to make an extra $1 million per year? You simply need to stand out from the crowd. While everyone else is selling orange juice, you sell orange juice and apple juice. But you make the orange juice better than what they're doing, plus you give people the choice of apple juice. Yeah? So this took me probably 30 seconds. Before this video, it took me about 30 seconds to write. Imagine if you spent a couple of days planning out what to do for your business to really stand out from your competition. So what I've put in here, wine nights with the girls. Get your bestie together and get your hair cut with a pamper package and bring your own wine. So imagine that. You're a girl and you bring your bestie along. Maybe you're about to go out for girls' night, whatever. You both get your haircut done together. You can talk to one another. You're drinking champagne while you get your feet massaged and someone's massaging your hair up when they put shampoo in. Like, that could be another service, but no one's doing that. So if you're a hairdressing salon and you started to market yourself as, you know, this place where it's girls go for, you know, just before girls' night on a Friday night or Saturday night, you're going to get more people paying you more money. Head massage while shampooing your hair, and also a foot massage. So some hairdressing salons will do this. Yeah. Only some. Yeah. But what about a foot massage after? A 2-3 minute foot massage. So they're shampooing your hair and they give you a head massage and you're in your seat and you're like, oh my God, this feels amazing. And then they put the conditioner in, they're massaging, they wash it all out, and by then you're just super relaxed. Imagine a 2-3 minute foot massage while you're lying on the seat and they just massage your feet for 2-3 minutes. How amazing would that be? It's the experience that you're getting. It's not just a haircut, it's the experience. Just like a Rolex. People don't wear a Rolex because it tells the time. It's the value, it's the feeling they have of wearing it. It's a masterpiece of, you know, like perfection and like, oh, yeah. Anyway, I don't really like Rolexes. I think they're a waste of money, but there's a lot of people out there that love Rolexes and they feel really good in them. Again, a Rolex tells the time. My phone tells the time. Yeah. So, but again, it's the experience. It's the feeling you get. Head massage with a vibrating head massager and a quick 2-minute neck massage. Like, anyone can do this. You don't have to be a professional. So after you get your hair shampooed and it's all washed out, the last 2 minutes, it's a neck massage or a head massage thing. And you feel really relaxed. Even if they charged you an extra, so it went from $50 to $60, they charged you an extra $10, but you got a tea, you got some chocolates, you got a quick little head massage, and then you got a foot massage. Do you think that's an extra $10? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And it doesn't take them any longer to do. Does that make sense? Like, it's not costing them more money, but as a result, they're making more. Now, imagine this, professional headshots after you get your haircut. Black background, proper camera, you basically look hot as fuck, and they send you a copy. Plus, they can use that in their marketing and on their website. So imagine that. How many times have you got your hair cut and you look in the mirror and you're like, actually, I think I look pretty good. You're like, not bad actually. You look really good. You get home, you have a shower, and you never look as good when you get back home. But at the hairdresser, you always look really good. So imagine if you got a photo of yourself looking the best, yeah, and they had a professional black background on the wall, they had a professional like light and a professional camera, and they had editors or whatever, but they actually sent you a photo of you just looking hot as fuck. You're not, like that takes them no time. It's like, okay, 3, 2, 1, boom, 3, 2, 1, boom. Maybe it takes them 1 minute from, okay, stand there, do a few different poses. Awesome. What's your email? I'm going to email you these. You're going to love it because you're going to be like, this is the best hairdressing salon ever. I'm going to show my friend. I'm going to show my family. You're going to upload that photo on Facebook or Instagram. It's just, everything's better. It's the experience. It's not just you get a haircut and you leave. It's the experience. So, there's more. Free bottle of water. So it costs you about 20 cents, but they get $2 to $4 value from it. Yeah. So it's increasing value. It doesn't cost you a lot of money to give, because if you're a business, you can buy everything at wholesale. Get 9 haircuts. So buy 9 haircuts and get the 10th haircut free. Keeps people coming back. Cross promotions, another business gives you free stuff to offer your customers. So it could be something like you do a cross promotion with a tea company or an organic chocolate company where they offer you free chocolate samples, yeah? But as a result, they offer their clients 20% off haircuts. So you're doing cross promotion work. But again, I can talk about this all day. You could literally think of 50 to 100 different things to increase value and make yourself stand out from everyone else. In terms of online business coaching, entrepreneurship, selling offers, programs, and courses, think of different ways you can make yourself stand out from the crowd. So this part here took me about 30 seconds to write. So imagine what this could do for your business. What you guys need to think is, what are you currently doing in your business that you can increase the value, provide more value, but as a result, it's not wasting any more of your time, it's not taking any more of your time, but you're increasing the value so much that people are willing to spend more money, but more importantly, keep coming back. So let's just say your coaching program is $5,000. Well, you're not going to just increase the value from 5 to 10K just by increasing one little thing. Yeah. It's about increasing it from 5 to maybe 6K. So there's an increase of 1K, but then providing so much value that value is worth 10, 20K. So then that justifies why your program has gone from 5 to 6K. You can't just simply bump up your price from 5 to 10, just like a hairdresser can't, go from $50 to $100. It has to be a little bit of an increase, but then you justify that increase by providing so much value and the experience and the feeling that people get when they work with you, that they can justify spending more money and they want to spend more money. I hope all this makes sense. So, do you think if you followed this, you will make more money in your business? Yeah, you simply have to do different things to what other people are doing. So if you're a business coach and everyone's saying you just need to do Facebook posts, 2 years ago I was homeless and now I'm a multi-millionaire, you have to do appointment setting, like all that stuff is great, but what can you provide that, again, everyone's selling orange juice, you're also selling orange juice, but you're also selling apple juice, and it's that apple juice that really adds more value than what your competitors are doing. I'm going to leave this video here. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments, but I'll see you tomorrow.